Great. So I'm Ambly. I'm based in digital health in the Faculty of Engineering, and I'm talking about a technology which is seizure forecasting technology for people with epilepsy, and this is being developed by our multidisciplinary team. The technology involves collecting real-time data through a smartwatch device and companion app. This is data on seizures and triggers to seizure, using machine learning models for predictive forecasting of the likelihood of seizure in the next 24 hours, and then an app interface which provides a model output as well as self-management features accompanying the forecast. And the main message I wanted to take is from this talk is that we are designing this for the individual with epilepsy, but we're also thinking about how we can involve family and carers in this technology, how we can integrate the technology within the NHS, and also the wider regulatory landscape and societal impact of the technology. So all these elements have an impact on how we design the technology, but also all these levels have quite interesting impacts on how we think about ethics and governance. So we've got HCI researchers, people from health sciences, and we're looking for collaborations with ethics and people interested in regulation. Sorry,